Let's take a look at what's going on with Dogecoin today. All right, so it looks like we're in some sort of falling channel right now. I'm on the 4-hour time frame. Dogecoin, Tether, Binance, and we have resistance, 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 support, support, falling channel, something like that. Broadening falling channel. It looks like we're breaking it to the upside, or at least testing it right now. Let's see if we actually break through it, close this candle, then form another candle and start actually going up. But what I would do in this for this pattern is drag from the top to the bottom of the channel, drag that to the breakout, and then I'd be looking at a target of something like 0.42414. If we get a clean breakout, I mean that would be the trade from basically where we are right now. If we can get a breakout going to the upside, would be that little target right here at 0.424. And I've been also looking at, let's see if we go to the 1 hour time frame, if this makes more sense. No, but I was also looking at this little top right here. I think if we can break out of okay, so we came up resistance, 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 basically resistance in this whole little area with all these candles. So what I'm thinking is if we can break through that, then we can maybe get even more bullish, or maybe at least we'll be able to go to the next level. Let's see, something like this, but we'd have to break through both of these. If we could break through both of these, basically, let's say go to the upside, then maybe we can get a bigger move, maybe come up here to around 0.468 2, and then it'd be a matter of just breaking out of the previous top, and then then we can really think about going higher. I am still not I mean, I'm still thinking, I still have limit orders going to the downside though, just in case we do go to the downside, because we had a big huge run up right here and came up, or we came found some resistance and then came back up, kind of topped out right here. It actually looks like we kind of hit that twice right there. That's interesting. I didn't even really see that till just now. But yeah, so we have this top right here. Got the Fibonacci retracement tool. Over here, drug from the bottom of the run to the top of the run, something like that. We actually broke through it right here, so I had to pull it up again. But basically, gives me these levels to watch: 23%, 38%, 50%, 61, 78. As we go down, if we do go down, and we already came down and hit the 23% a few times. I've already filled this limit order like 3 times, I think. I think the first time was either somewhere right here, and then I closed the position right here, or I think it was like 14% or something like that. Let's see. The first one was like for 14%, and then the next ones were, it was actually from, whoops, sorry. It was actually from somewhere either right here or right here, and then I sold it somewhere, I think, over here. And then again, I filled that limit order over here, came up, started coming down. I think I sold it again, like right here, I think. Boom, came down, filled it again, bounced up. It looks like so I came down, filled it again. So I filled it right here. I think I filled it right here, and then I might have filled it somewhere in here. Or probably one of these ones. I think it was one of these ones, because even in here, if we like zoom in, if you're really watching this chart, came down, filled the limit order. I do remember this, and then it popped back up like 5%, and I was watching it, and I was like, maybe I should sell it. And then it came back down like a little bit later, filled it. It would have filled it again, and then it bounced right back to the it bounced right back up like another 5%, and then it came back down again. It would have filled it like 3 or 4 times. So basically what I'm saying is this 23% level has came in pretty handy, just like a few bucks. The limit order on this top one is a little bit smaller than the next one. The next one's actually the bigger one, the bigger limit order that I have out of the 3 that I do have. So I have limit orders set on the 23%. Let me show you the 23%, the 38, and the 50%. These levels are sitting at .39441, the one that I was just talking about, the one that's just been getting kind of bounced on all in this area, getting some pretty good, fairly decent trades. .39441, and then the next one is the 38% level sitting at .33823. The one after that is sitting at .29292 approximately. So yeah, these are the ones that I have limit orders on. Like I said, this one's like the smallest. This one's probably the biggest, and then this one is like the medium size limit orders. If we had to like break them all up into like what exactly I have. But yeah, I don't know. It looks like it's going back to the upside though. Having said that, having said that, I do want it to go down. I would like it to go down, hit this one, and then pop back to the upside at least. But right now it does look like I talked about at the beginning of the video, it does look like we are in like a channel pattern, and it does look like it's going to the upside, or it does look like it's testing it, going to the upside. Let's see if it actually breaks through, or if we just get one of these spikes like we did right here, because it came up, broke through this line, because it's from this resistance and this resistance. Boom, broke through it, just got a quick little wick, then came back down, tried it again, got another little wick, and then it just actually went to the downside and, you know, would have filled the limit order again, that line again. But yeah, let's see. I wouldn't mind if it actually got a move to the upside. I wouldn't, like I said, I have a position right here now. That's why this one's yellow and these other ones are orange still. So yeah, that's basically the color coding. Let's see what happens. Let's see if this thing breaks up going to the upside, or if it is just a fake out and continues to head down, and then maybe fills that limit order. But I think here's another thing that I'm thinking is, if we do break this support right here, that we've been having support in this whole area where we're kind of hitting the limit order, like I was talking about, kind of we're bouncing on that area. If we could actually break through it, like if we actually, okay, so here's that line. If we actually break through it, then I think we have more of a chance of actually coming back down and hitting this one that I've been kind of looking at, and like I was saying, that I have the biggest limit order on. It might go further down, but we'll have to wait and see. It might go actually up, but as you guys have been seeing, that it's been having trouble. If anything, it's kind of been trending to the downside, because we're getting lower highs, and then lower lows. This one actually started changing direction though. This one got like a same high, like an equal low. I'm sorry, an equal low, something like that. Well, technically it went all the way down here, so it was a higher high, and then we're getting higher highs right here. So it is getting higher highs and then higher lows and then lower highs. Basically, we're bouncing in between these two trend lines, and we're gonna have to wait and see. It looks like it's breaking to the, it looks like we're testing the upside though. Let's see if it actually breaks through it. It did it a couple times over here, and then kind of just came back down immediately, and looks like it's having a little bit of trouble right now. So let's see what happens. My money is on these spots that I just talked about, these orange lines, these limit orders, .338 approximately, and .292 approximately. Yeah, let's see what happens. Let's say if we break through this resistance and start heading up, resistance, those are the resistances I'm looking at. If we can break those ones, then I think we can start getting, I'll be less confident on these. But until we actually break through this top over here, like until we actually break through that, like decisively, then I'm going to still have these limit orders set. If we break through these, if we break through that top right there decisively, then I'm going to be much less confident on these limit orders. I'm going to probably take them, cancel them, and I'll have to wait, and I'll have to see what's going on or what I want to do at that point. But yeah, let's see what happens. Let's see if it goes down, or let's see if if it goes up, my money is on it going down, but I do have a position right here. So if it does go up, then I'll at least have a position to benefit from. All right, let me know what you guys are thinking though. If you guys like the video, hit that thumbs up. If you want to watch the last video, check it out right here. If you're new to trading, check out this playlist right here. Help you get you started with TradingView. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one.